Today we are in Samson's test lab with Linkit Max. In this video, you will learn about proper installation and inspection of your Linkit Max. Linkit Max is a button knot soft shackle made with AmSteel-Blue rope and covered in durable chafe protection. It's an easy-to-use, lightweight connection method that can replace steel shackles and other connection types. Unlike traditional shackles, an HMPE soft shackle, like Linkit Max, won't corrode or rust. It has a secondary locking mechanism, and it's designed in alignment with the principles established in the American Society of Mechanical Engineers B30 standards. The tags provided with each Linkit Max display rating information, as well as a QR code that will direct you to the product landing page at samsonrope.com. Before beginning installation, review your company's safety procedures and regulatory policies. When you're ready to install Linkit Max, note the working load limit on the tag to ensure you are using the right size for your job. Samson uses a safety factor of 5:1 to calculate its working load limits. Next, always inspect your shackle for wear or damage. Then, identify the lifting point on your load and the appropriate attachment points on your equipment. Ensure the shackle size matches the lifting point. Confirm that the body of the shackle, excluding the button knot, can pass through the connection points. To prevent damage, avoid contact with sharp or abrasive surfaces. And do not overload or shock load Linkit Max. It is important not to twist the shackle during installation, as twist can result in strength loss and accelerated degradation. Open the shackle by removing the knot from the loop. Attach the shackle to the lifting point securely. The shackle should be installed so the load-bearing points are covered by chafe. Secure the hook and loop closure. Take care that it's wrapped tightly. This hook and loop closure system ensures the connection is maintained even when the load is removed from the shackle. Inspect the installation to ensure secure connection. Linkit Max supports the load along a straight axis. Avoid bending loads or unstable loads. Linkit Max should only be used with hardware that does not bend the shackle to the point where strength is impacted. One more advantage of Linkit Max is that it can be side-loaded and retain 100% of its strength. Traditional steel shackles, when side-loaded, have the potential to derate their strength by up to 50%. Always inspect your equipment before each use. Synthetic rope can degrade due to prolonged exposure to UV light, wear, misuse, or overloading. Never use a shackle that is worn out or shows signs of damage. If in doubt about the condition of the shackle, retire it. If you notice anything unusual, replace the shackle immediately. If the rope within the chafe can be seen, the chafe needs to be removed or replaced. You are now ready to install and properly use Samson's Linkit Max. If you have any questions on use, contact your local Samson representative. Thanks for watching.